Welcome to the future of online earning. It's 2025, and artificial intelligence has revolutionized the digital landscape. What used to require years of expertise and significant investments can now be achieved with just a computer and a few AI tools. Today, we're diving into 3 actionable ways you can make money online using AI, all with zero startup costs. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income source, these methods are accessible to everyone. Let's get started. Way 1. Offer freelance AI-powered services. The first way to leverage AI for online income is by offering freelance services. Freelancing has always been a reliable way to earn money, but AI tools are transforming how services are delivered. You don't need advanced skills or expensive software. AI does most of the work for you. Let's break down a few popular freelance services you can offer. 1. Content writing and copywriting businesses need fresh content for their blogs, websites, and marketing campaigns, and AI makes it easy to fulfill these demands. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and WriteSonic can generate well-written articles, blog posts, and even email campaigns in minutes. Start by signing up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Offer AI-assisted content writing services, such as SEO articles or email marketing campaigns. To stand out, edit and refine AI-generated content to make it unique and tailored to each client's needs. With clients willing to pay anywhere from $20 to $100 per piece, this can quickly become a lucrative income stream. 2. Graphic design with AI. Graphic design, once requiring years of practice, is now accessible to everyone, thanks to AI tools like Canva, Runway ML, and Adobe Firefly. You can create stunning visuals for social media, presentations, or advertisements without any prior experience. AI even offers templates and suggestions, so you can deliver professional quality work in minutes. Freelance platforms and social media are full of clients looking for affordable design solutions, and with AI, you can deliver results efficiently. 3. AI-powered video editing. Video editing is in high demand, especially with the rise of platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube. Tools like Pictory.ai and Descript allow you to edit videos, add captions, and create professional-looking content with minimal effort. Advertise services like short-form video editing, YouTube intros, and social media clips. By combining AI tools with a personal touch, you can quickly scale your freelancing business. Pro tip: start small, offer competitive rates, and build your portfolio. Once you've established credibility, you can charge premium rates for AI-powered services. AI tools are your secret weapon to delivering high-quality work efficiently. Way 2. Build and monetize AI-powered YouTube channels. The second method is all about creating and monetizing content on YouTube. Video content is booming in 2025, and with the help of AI, you don't need to worry about spending hours creating scripts, recording footage, or editing videos. AI tools streamline the entire process. Here's how you can make it work. 1. Use AI tools for video creation. Platforms like Pictory.ai are game changers. They allow you to transform text into videos, create visual summaries of long-form content, and even add voiceovers with just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, these tools make video production simple and fast. Speaking of simplicity, if you're serious about creating engaging videos, check out Pictory.ai. This powerful tool lets you turn your ideas into professional quality videos in minutes. From automating video editing to creating voiceovers, Pictory has you covered. It's the perfect tool for anyone looking to grow a YouTube channel with minimal effort. 2. Explore niche content ideas. The key to YouTube success lies in finding a profitable niche. Here are a few ideas that work exceptionally well with AI tools. Educational videos. Use AI to create explainer videos about trending topics or evergreen subjects. Paranormal stories. Tap into the growing interest in real-life paranormal encounters by narrating user-submitted stories. Motivational content. AI can generate motivational quotes, affirmations, and scripts that resonate with your audience. AI tutorials. Teach others how to use AI tools and grow their income. 3. Monetize your channel. Once you've built an audience, you can monetize through multiple streams, enable YouTube ads, partner with brands for sponsorships, use affiliate marketing to promote tools like Pictory and earn commissions. Way 3. Sell AI-generated products online. 1. Create and sell digital art. AI platforms like DALL-E and Midjourney allow you to generate stunning artwork in seconds. You can sell digital downloads, prints, or even license your artwork for commercial use. Another profitable avenue is creating and selling NFTs on platforms like OpenSea. 2. Write and publish ebooks. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, you can outline, draft, and polish an ebook in record time. Focus on topics like self-help, business tips, or even fictional stories. Publish your ebooks on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad for passive income. 3. Personalized AI services offer personalized products like custom poems, greeting cards, or social media posts. AI tools make it easy to create unique, on-demand content that customers love. You can sell these products on platforms like Etsy or through your own website. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's a tool that empowers anyone to create, innovate, and earn online. Whether you're freelancing, starting a YouTube channel, or selling digital products, AI makes it all possible without upfront costs or technical skills. And don't forget, tools like Pictory.ai can be your ultimate ally in this journey. From creating videos to streamlining workflows, Pictory helps you turn ideas into reality with ease. So why wait? Start exploring the world of AI-powered online earning today and take the first step toward financial freedom in 2025. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on making money online, and let's harness the power of AI together.